How to remove a Google account from YouTube app. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can remove a Google account from YouTube app. This is useful if you have a second account you no longer want in the app or for other reasons. So I'm demonstrating this on an Android phone, but you can also follow in your iPhone as well. So for that, you need to go ahead and open your YouTube application first. Then tap on the U icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right. Now tap on Switch Account, which is below General in Account Settings. After that, tap on Manage Account from the bottom. Select the Google account that is associated with your YouTube account in your mobile phone, and then tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account in the bottom again, and the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and no other data from the device will be there. Tap on Remove Account and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.